I want to talk a little bit about what you're doing today after you've done your vocabulary words from yesterday, define those, and you're going to work on a crossword puzzle that is online. Instead of submitting it, you're going to show evidence, a couple of ways you can choose between one or the other, in fact. So we're looking in modules for today. We should have defined the vocabulary 2 on Monday, and I'm going to the vocabulary 2 crossword practice. You're going to this link, and I'll demonstrate, but this video is also another way if you'd rather look at that one. I don't have any problem with that. So vocabulary 2, after you write your answers in, you will do a print screen, or you can take a picture with your phone and send me the picture through your email to my email, your school email to my school email. Or you can do a print screen. If I were to do a print screen, PRT screen is up in my right-hand corner on my laptop. Then I go down to the bottom and type in paint. It brings me to paint. I hit paste and I'll get that screen. You might have to mine's on a widescreen right now, but you might have to kind of plan your picture around that, at least so I can see most of it anyway. Then you can save it as a file to your desktop. Call it crossword or something like that. Then when you go into your email, and you compose me a message, you can put crossword. You can type me a note. I like notes. Tell me how you're doing. Hope everything's going okay with you. You attach your files. Going over here and looking, it should say crossword. There it is. I attach my little file and I hit send and I should get it. I got it. Look, here's the crossword. It comes right in my email quickly. If you prefer to send a shot off of your phone, that's fine too. Either way, just so I have evidence that way. That just works better with some of these online tools. Our school blocks a lot of them. You can share it, but I found out with the word art, it was kind of sketchy with that. So I just thought this would be another way of you showing that you had completed an assignment, plus using print screen if you haven't, which is kind of a cool feature. Thank you very much, and I will see you guys later.